Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your files with Amazon Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your files with Amazon Drive, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Amazon Drive website by entering the URL in the address bar. Log into your Amazon account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see your main Amazon Drive interface. Locate the Recent or Photos section to quickly find your files. If you can't find your files there, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the file you wish to recover and hit enter. If you have a lot of files, you can also browse through folders. Click on any folder to access the files within it. Once you find the file you need, click on it to select it. A preview will appear on the screen, along with various options. Look for the download button and click on it. The file will then begin to download to your computer. If you need to recover deleted files, check the trash folder. Click on the trash icon to access deleted items. Browse through the items in the trash folder. If you find your deleted file, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. After selecting the file, look for the Restore option. Click Restore to move the file back to its original location. Now, navigate back to your main drive to ensure your file is restored. For mobile recovery, open the Amazon Drive app on your smartphone. Log in with your Amazon account if you haven't done so already. Use the search feature or browse through the folders to find your file. Select the file and tap the download icon to save it to your device. Remember to regularly back up important files to avoid future issues. Now you know how to recover your files using Amazon Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.